Okay. So today we are shooting and I decided to play a game today. The game is called the ice game. This is the roasted yam and this is the sauce and this is the ice. So see how the game is going to be. You pick one of the ice, put it inside your mouth, hold it for, I will be checking the time, for like 1 minute. If you succeeded in not throwing it off your mouth, maybe because of the coldness, then you pick the yam and enjoy with the sauce. But anybody that did not get it within the 1 minute, you are off the line. You understand? So let's see how it goes. You know, let's make it based on the epic win. You understand? No, not 30 seconds. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Okay, see, don't forget. I'm still your Gedima Arts and Crafts. Don't forget. So, okay, so we'll do it this way. Let's see how it goes. Let's make it fun. You understand?
Yeah.
So, as you're out there, don't forget to send star for your girl, like to support your girl, and subscribe for my Facebook as well. You understand? Let the ministry be moving. You go
so that you can chop yam.
So that we can chop more yam next time. Okay, guys. So next time we bush meat. No problem. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how they're going to enjoy the yam. But if you not enjoy, it's not my fault too.
All right.
Let's play
good
this
to
way.
go, man.
So
we are good to
we'll start with the time and all that. So who is the first person that will be starting? You go first. So I will start. Look at it. So start like pick the big one, don't pick the small one. No, that one is small. No. Look at this one.
It's not enter my mouth.
It will enter.
No.
This one it will enter. No.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
It's too big. She's fell. Wow. She fell.
Alright, next person.
Okay, that is me, man.
Let's go there.
Okay.
You're picking big one.
Yeah. This one is big.
Put it inside your mouth. Cover. Make sure you cover your mouth. Where there? Okay. Alright, next person. Let's go there. I've started counting.
You can do it. You can do it.
Yes.
You can do it now.
You can do
Oh my.
Like 1 hour?
No, 1 minute.
You can do it.
Just 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes.
Are you there?
You can do it. Don't follow her.
You are there.
I must eat this yam.
You are there.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're good to go.
Should be one eat yam.
Yes. Look at the yam there.
Yes.
Alright, next person. Alright.
This is a llama.
Start counting.
Okay.
Like seriously?
Remain for me.
We are eating now.
Remain for me. You're my friend now. You're my sister.
You can do it.
Yes.
You can do it.
Guys,
Be a man. Be a man. You can do it.
The young man is dying.
Alright.
So am I good to go?
Enjoy yourself. Next person.
Okay.
Somebody should help us. The yam is finished.
Your time has started.
Which one am I going to choose now?
Somebody should help
The
us.
big one,
I still want to try.
like this.
This one is small.
You're not supposed to.
This one is not small now.
Cancel the time.
Yes.
Okay, I should start afresh.
Start.
Okay.
Yes. What a woman can do, a man can do better. So that you eat yam, yeah?
Yeah, enjoy your
Yeah,
yam.
so that you can eat yam.
This is roasted yam. Roasted yam. I don't understand. Are you trying to?
You cannot do it.
You can do it.
You cannot do
You
it.
can do it. You can do it.
What a man, a woman can do.
Yes,
A man can do it better.
Yes.
Yes, a man
You can do it.
You're there. You're
Can do
almost
it.
there.
You're almost there.
Close your mouth very well. Make sure you
You can do it, yeah?
Time up, time up, time up.
No. 10,
You can do it. You can
9,
do it.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Confirm. I must eat yam. Let me enjoy myself, boys.
Enjoy the yam.
Oh, okay.
I'm going
Alright.
to enjoy the yam.
Take it easy,
I
okay?
know my mouth is so small. No, you pick this one. This one will size your mouth.
Easy, oh.
No,
Easy, oh.
This yam is so tasty.
Are you serious?
And serious.
no.
You will cancel that time.
Cancel
That time.
the
You will
timer.
cancel
Yeah,
that
we
time.
can see. Pick this one.
Jesus.
Yes.
Yes, now.
It's a nice game, of course. You don't have to
Game now.
select
Eat
it.
it now.
You don't have to select it.
That is good for you. Let me
Started.
enjoy myself here.
Okay.
Jesus.
Hey. Sister, you can do it. Make us proud.
What a man can do.
A woman can do better. Yes. You're going there.
Make us proud.
Try, my sister. It's not easy.
You're
Try.
there.
You're there.
You're there.
Almost.
What a man can do.
A
woman can do better.
Enjoy.
Let's see it now.
Alright,
Make
like
mama
it.
part.
You're there.
Just try.
Just try so that you can enjoy yam.
Roasted yam game.
It's not easy to eat yam.
Yeah. Enjoy, you know.
Very sweet.
Remember your brother.
Very tasty.
Remember your brother.
Hey. The God is great.
Yeah. You're almost there. Alpha.
Just keep on trying.
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2,
What a man can do.
Alright.
my
Yam is good. Next person.
Yes, it's your turn.
Are you sure these eyes are still
Hey,
big?
this yam is so tasty. Eh?
Are you serious?
Very good.
I want to big one.
Please take it easy so
that
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 will
will
not
not
fall.
This one is small.
The yam.
You want to eat this yam? It's not possible.
Sister, enjoy yourself. It's
Enjoy
your
your
turn.
meal.
Enjoy.
Make sure that you are not carrying oven for mouth.
She using chiller.
You can never make it. Disappoint me.
No, it's not my
Guy, keep on enjoying.
Don't worry.
Keep enjoying.
No, it's not small.
No, it's big. Oh.
Alright. The time I'm started.
My sister, try.
Try your best.
You can do it. Oh, you can do it.
Auntie Alpha now.
Until they look at your face again.
Look here, man.
You're almost there.
You don't know anybody. You can do it. Don't give up.
swallow
Don't
this
give
eye.
up. Don't give up.
What a man can do.
can do better.
Okay.
Don't try to.
Don't try to.
No, you can do it.
A woman
Don't
cannot
give up.
do
Don't give up.
that.
Don't
You
give
are a
up.
failure. You are a failure.
One more 1 hour.
1 hour to go.
Easy.
You're almost there.
1 hour to go.
10,
9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, get out there. Get out. Finish our yam there.
Alright. Next person.
Enjoy
Kamala,
yourself,
are you
my
okay?
What a man can do.
A woman can do better.
Okay, it's your turn, yes.
All
Alright. What time I started?
Pick the big one.
This one is small.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
The eyes is small.
This yam is very tasty.
Enjoy yourself.
You said be eating that yam small.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Keep on enjoying.
We are good to go.
Yes.
Enjoy.
What a man can do.
A woman can do better. Enjoy.
Okay.
I know it's because of this yam. Just manage. Just enjoy. You're almost you're almost there. You're there.
Friend it so I can continue.
You be eating that yam small.
No, save us.
Take it
The yam
easy
is
now.
already finished.
The way I'm seeing this thing, I want to eat the yam.
How about you?
Alright,
I
let's
don't
go
trust
there.
you.
That guy is too greedy.
Auntie, I better go to
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get out! Leave that yam.
I'm very greedy.
Alright, next person, let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
Alright. Start your time of
It's
starting.
the big one.
Big one.
No,
Big
don't
one,
start the
big
time.
one.
This one is okay.
Don't start the time yet.
I've started it already.
Yes.
We're there.
Take it easy now. Take it easy. Easy.
Enjoy
It's very, very
yourself.
sweet.
Sister, try now.
Try and win so that
Try.
guy.
Try.
Sister, you can do it.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Enjoy yourself.
You can do it.
Almost there.
You can do it.
Almost there. You fail.
27 no. 27 no. Hey.
You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it. Yes.
50. 14.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Keep on enjoying yourself.
Sorry.
Keep enjoying.
Remain for others.
Keep enjoying.
What a woman can do.
Don't feel it. That guy needs to leave that.
My guy, try, eh?
Easy now. Oh,
Hey.
should I take one? Should I take one?
Leave her to enjoy
Don't even
herself.
come here.
Ada, easy now. Don't finish it.
Oh my God. She's going to take another one now. She's going to take another one.
Let them enjoy them. Saving them, not eating.
Take the time.
I just have to manage. You understand? You're almost there. Enjoy.
What a woman can do.
A man can do better.
16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
6,
5,
4, 3,
2, 1. Oh my gosh.
My guy, you try, eh?
So it's my turn now.
Try.
Okay.
For real.
Keep on enjoying.
guy, you can do it.
Okay, I can do it now.
You're a man.
Pick this one.
No.
This one.
Hi, this one is big.
It's not big.
Collect it. Are you not big?
It's too big.
Oh, yeah, start. Your time has started.
Yes.
You can do it. You can do it.
More power to you.
That guy, easy without him.
For the first time.
Yeah.
What a man can do.
You cannot do it.
You
can do it.
You can do it. You can do it.
Hey, okay, take it easy.
Well said. This guy that guru.
Hey,
Sorry,
no problem.
Next person.
Sorry,
Sorry.
Sorry. Next time you try again.
Try again.
Next time you try again.
This one is small. No.
Look at you. Oh, brother. Let's come again.
Remember me.
Guy, take a easy. They eat that. Yeah.
Don't finish that sauce again. Sister, you can do it. Make us proud.
Sister, you can tell it.
A woman can do better.
Sister, you can tell it.
A woman cannot do more better.
Sister, you can do it. You can tell it.
She's doing it already.
No.
The guy want to finish that sauce. Guy, take it easy now.
Easy.
Yeah, easy. Reform some for me.
Easy now.
Let me finish the yam. How many don't chop now? Take it easy now. Take it easy.
Sister, try, eh? Enjoy yourself.
Please save us. Please save us.
Fail.
Sister, win. Yam from him.
Enjoy yourself.
Collect this yam from.
The time is going.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
This is 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
You try.
Collect it now.
Go and collect it.
Go collect the yam.
No.
All right. Let her enjoy.
Let's go again, Joya.
All right. Yeah. The next one.
Yes.
All right.
How many people now? Hey,
No,
thank
that
you, man.
you want to keep.
I need to eat that yam, Sister, enjoy it, yo. Just enjoy yourself.
People are enjoying, and I'm not enjoying.
Everybody's
What a
alive.
woman can do, a man can do better. You can do it.
You can do
You
it.
cannot do it.
No,
You
my,
can do it.
my guy, now my guy.
You can do
You
it.
cannot do it.
I trust you. Make us proud.
Don't make us proud. We
Make us
don't want
proud.
it.
Make your family proud.
We don't want it.
Yes, I'm finishing this.
Make your family proud.
Yes, I'm finishing this food.
We don't want it. Don't make us proud.
Take it easy now.
How much?
Make your stomach proud.
We don't even need it. How much there?
Make your stomach.
Make your stomach proud.
Make your stomach proud. I swear.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
Get
9,
it easy now.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
You make your stomach proud.
I'm not happy. Don't finish that yam.
Easy, yo. Easy.
Don't even finish it.
Yeah, be easy. Let me enjoy.
To be easy, I'm that time. Your turn, I'm going to say no.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy yourself.
Pick one.
Enjoy.
Jesus.
That one is very good.
Size your man.
Even when you're tired,
Alright.
you keep on enjoying.
Put it in your mouth.
From now on, I feel all of
We have
you. You people
started.
will not win again.
Now lie. You lie.
Enjoy
You
it.
lie.
Watch now.
Easy now. Easy.
Calm down.
Alright, next person.
Okay, good to go.
Yes.
Now,
Don't make us proud.
which one?
Don't make us proud.
Don't make us proud.
This is very big.
Not big, to size your man.
Guy.
Push it inside.
Because you're a guy like me. I will give you good.
No. Close your mouth very
We
well.
have started.
Yes.
We have started. Push it inside. Push it more.
Easy now. Easy. Easy.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Don't
Can do it, very much.
You can do it.
What a woman can do.
Can do better.
You're the man.
A man can do better.
That's a time like this.
A man can do
This
better.
one will not do better.
I trust you.
You will not do better.
I trust
You're
you.
almost there.
28.
You're the man. You can do it.
27.
Continue.
Oh my gosh.
You can do it.
You can make the possible possible. You can easy now. You almost finish that thing though. You almost
Eleven,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Oh Jesus.
I don't want that young. I don't want that young. pray for me.
Please save us, I beg.
Save us.
Save us.
Save our yam.
This man is finishing this yam.
Save our yam.
Enjoy yourself, my brother.
You want to chop yam? Come and win this game.
This thing not. Enjoy yourself. Wow.
To enter.
I will try again next time.
Try again later.
We have started.
Okay.
I will try again next time.
Easy now.
Sister, you can do it.
This one started feeling so.
Sister, make us proud.
She can see. Sister, you can
Save our yam.
I beg you.
Make us proud. Make us proud.
What a man,
spell it.
what a man can do, a woman can do better.
You are there. You're almost
Sister, you're almost there.
Sister, you can spell it.
You're almost there.
Almost there.
You're almost there. Let's go.
Yes.
Don't
You are
touch
going.
it. Don't touch it.
You are going. You are going.
Make your stomach proud.
Yes.
Make your stomach proud. You are there.
Don't make us proud already. Don't make
Just.
20 something.
Sorry.
I told you people that sister was feeling.
Oh my God.
I will not fail it again. I will try my best.
No, not
Sorry,
Hey.
Sorry,
Pick the big one, oh. The big one. That one is small.
They are
The other one.
deceiving you. Pick anyone. It's a game.
Yes.
That one is small. Sir. Pick the big one.
It's a game. Pick anyone. They are
So you
deceiving
eating the yam. Sister, make us proud.
Are you dancing?
Sister, you can do it.
Make us proud.
You can do it. You can do it.
Enjoy yourself.
We trust you.
Make your stomach proud. What a woman can do.
What a man can do, a woman can do better.
It's my turn.
Who is taking over from
I'll
him?
start this one. Don't
Who is
worry.
taking over from him?
It's me. I want to enjoy it.
That guy, you are finishing the food, oh.
Uncle, take it easy.
Don't worry.
Yeah, you don't know what
That
I
was later you eat yam.
Take it easy.
Oh. You want to kill me before my
I
time?
will not kill you.
Hey,
We started.
what your fellow man can do, you can do better.
Look at the time now. What do?
Hey.
Easy. Enjoy yourself.
Remember you are a man, don't fail it. So that we enjoy yam.
You can do it.
It's not easy to talk yam.
What a man can
For
do.
this
Don't
content.
make us proud. A man can do better. You're even dancing. You're there, you're there. You're there, you're there.
Enjoy yourself, God.
More power to your able. You can do it.
You can.
You're almost there.
You can do it. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy.
Yeah, my man. I will remain here.
No.
That is the third one, oh. I'm gonna take it easy.
Take over from me.
The yam belongs to
20
me.
something.
Take it easy,
23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 17, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This guy won't use it. Alright. Okay, you're enjoying yourself. Okay. So this is the end.
of you.
Don't finish it, please. Okay, this is the end of the game. You can see that the game was very fun.
Yeah, it's very
It is the end of the game. You want to eat more? No, it's the end of the game. You're not eating the game. Go one side. You see that the game was very fun. This is called the ice game. And you see the way they play the game, it was very fun, yes. Even though I know it's the yam, but no, I'm still okay. So, thank you for watching. I still remain your girl, Dimat and Craft. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube as well. Share my video, like and comment. Don't forget to send star, you understand? To support your girl, Otago, Kaina Otago DG, Otago, Marana on stage, so that we go dey catch fun when we dey shoot. Don't forget to send stars. I said support your girl. Subscribe for my Facebook as well. Otago, one day, go do.
Try again later.
We love you all.
Try again later.